Welcome! In front of me I have VERNEE M7 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Google Chrome. And now to take a screenshot we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You'll hear this sound and the little animation, and also the notification will appear in your notification panel that the screenshot was saved. Another way to do it, open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, like this, and here we have super screenshot icon. Let's tap on it. And right here we have few options. We have screen recorder, long screenshot, funny screenshot, and move. If you tap on move, you can move, or press and hold on move, you can move this menu around. If you tap on long, you can take a long screenshot, basically screenshot of something that doesn't fit on the screen, like the menus or Google page. And funny option, you can basically take a screenshot and add some stuff on it. For example, you can add, you can trim the screen. Basically, you can select the part of the screen you want to take a screenshot of, like this. You can also, let's open the menu again. Take a lasso screenshot. Basically, you can draw the shape on the screen, and it will take the screenshot of that shape, like that. And another option was a DAUP screenshot. Basically, I believe you can just smudge on the screen, and the area where you smudge on it is gonna be taken, like this. And once you're done, of course, editing the screenshot, tap save to save your screenshot. And as you can see here, we have the screenshot we took. The weird little smudge, like this. And that's how basically you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.